Hi friends, today we are going to show you how to prepare the chicken roll. And to prepare the chicken roll, the ingredients what we require are, we need bread rolls, lettuce or salad leaves, mayonnaise, crushed pepper, mustard sauce, carrot, salt, butter and chicken. Friends, I've used boneless chicken and I've boiled it, adding little bit salt in that, and after I have shredded the chicken. So this is how it have to be once you have already boiled and then shred the chicken. So in a big bowl, let's take all this shredded chicken. To the 500 grams of shredded chicken, I'm using 2 medium grated carrots. And to this, let's add 1 tablespoon of mustard sauce. Now let's add half cup of mayonnaise, which is 125 ml of mayonnaise. Now let's use crushed pepper. You can use pepper as to your choice. I would say at least more than 1 teaspoon of pepper will be good. Now let's add salt in this. Make sure when you use salt, the mustard and mayonnaise already have salt in it. So use accordingly. Give a taste. If you need something more, you can use it even after. As you see, notice I've used carrot in this because this carrot will give a really nice good color in the chicken roll that I make. You can use even cabbage, finely chopped cabbage, that is also very good. I normally even use that as well. But today I just said, okay, I'll use only carrot and I'll just show you simple and very easy. A good snack, a party snack that I can say. Our mixture is ready. Now let's go and do the filling of the bread. Now let's take a bread roll and cut it in the center. Just a 3/4 of the bread. Now let's apply a little bit butter. Now let's take a lettuce. Just give a cut in the center. And if you feel like cutting the unwanted part, you just can throw that off. Now let's place the lettuce or the salad leaf that you have. But pretty make sure that you always wash the lettuce or the salad leaves that you have. That's common anyways, I didn't say it before. And let's take the mixing that we've done and just do the filling. You see, this is looking very beautiful and it's very tasty as well. So friends, it's ready. Let's do the other stuffing as well. So friends, our simple and easy chicken rolls are ready now. If you liked our recipe, please do show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Until then, love you all, God bless. My final word to say, adios.